Alright, hello. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm still looking at this Vic-20, which has now been on for many hours. And it seems to be quite fine. Seems to be. I have not touched it. I have not moved it. I have not had anything to do with it. I have just left it sitting. Ooh, missed. Alright, I should be able to float over there, turn, and fire, and kill the mine. That was not quite what I had in mind, but it worked. Oh, there's a mine. Okay, we got some speed. Some greasy, mean speed. We're gonna die. Oh, we got it. Okay. Uh-oh. That was slick. Alright. Oh, did we get everything? Ooh. This is going well. Oh, except that didn't go well. Oh. Okay. Okay, got that. No. Oh my god. Oh, it was going so well. It's going so well. Okay, well that went well, and I'm dead again. I should have gone down. Okay. So. Now. Before, when I touched certain things in here, things did not go well. So I'm touching things. And all these chips are hot. The thing I remember specifically, the things went weird, is there's another little potentiometer in here. Aha. And indeed, I think the color has gone away. That is strange. Well, let's just see. Let's just see. Oh, there we are. We're on the air. Is the color gone? Yeah, I think it is. Okay, let's see if we can get it to come back. Maybe. I'll turn it off. Turn it back on. It's been on and off for a very long time. If I touch that, yeah, that's weird. Very, very strange. Very, very strange. So I wonder. Just taking this little wee screwdriver here. Giving this a tweak. Still, the color gone. I'm sure of it. But not when I turn it back on. Now the color is back. Oh, what is that thing for? That is mighty strange. Now I'm going to try another thing. I'm going to pick this up. I am. Okay, now I think the color went away again. Maybe there's a cold joint on that spot. I'll turn this off. I'll turn it on. The color is back. Stop that. Okay. I don't know who that is or why that is or what is going on. There. Well, I found the spot. I touched it on the bottom. And things go wonky. Color goes wonky. But then I turn it back on. Oh, now that was weird for a second. Oh, more than a second. Maybe we're back to switch troubles again. Certainly the colors are gone. Anyway, things upside down. Let's take our magnifying glass and look and see. You know, this might do better if I also had, I think these are reading glasses. Yes, they are. If I also had reading glasses on. Still hard to tell. I mean, these could be microscopic failures. Microscopic failures. Microscopic failures. Microscopic failures. Very strange. And you know, at this moment, I'm tempted to try and deal with these things, but the desk, it's a disaster. It's a disaster. But the color's still there, and it's still working. Oh, now we go. But now we've left. I'm gonna turn off, turn on, and touch this thing, and the color goes weird. And the screen goes away on the one, and the color's gone. This is peculiar. All right, wheel. Ooh, yeah, things are hot. This has been on for a goodly number of hours. So we're going to try something. This Vic chip that I believe to be good, going out. And this one, which was the one that was in here before, is going to go back in. We may have multiple failures. Let's see what happens here. Now I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah. See if I touch here. If I touch on here, weird things happen. That's strange. Very strange. Very strange indeed. We're going to turn this back on, and we're going to see if things bail out. seem. Well, that last shot was a disaster. Get out of there, get out of there. Oh no, it's gonna go ballistic. It's gonna go ballistic before I can get it. It's gonna start dropping mines. Oh, I had it! Well, that was close. Okay, get the ballistic ones. Right between the raindrops. Right between the raindrops. Kaboom. Right between the raindrops. And I'm dead. Oh, I got it. I got it. I got it. Oh no. It's gone wild. Smoking. Get that mine. Okay. Get the lead horse. Get as many as possible before they go wild. Oh, look at that. Now, if it puts me on the other side, I'm in big trouble. Yeah, I'm in big trouble. Should have had that. Ugh. Pay no attention to the man behind the curtain. Ugh. Okay, well. So this big chip does also seem to be okay when this gets touched. That weird things happen. Like the color will be gone. I wonder, I'm sure somewhere, I have that early board that got, like, hurt, that I could steal that off of, or try tightening it up. Don't hit the mine, don't hit the mine, don't hit the mine, don't hit the mine, don't hit the mine. Okay, let's go. Back down. I can't get sideways. I can't get anywhere I want to get. Oh. There's a mine. There's a mine in the way. Okay, look at that. Color there, not there. Color there, not there. Color there, not there. All because of this thing. All right, interesting. Now, there were other times that things kind of bailed out. There were. Yeah. Yeah. All right. I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to turn off the monitors. Very delicate fashion, if I can. Come on. There we go. And I'm going to leave this. I'll leave this sitting here. Don't touch it. Let's see what's what. I suppose I should look for another original Vic-20 board. Try and replicate these things. I still haven't got to the data set, of course. Oh, I need to tidy up. Oh, God. I do. Got this little square. Sorry, rectangle. That's all I got. All right. That's it. That's all. That's it. That's all. Have a lovely, lovely day. And we'll continue to. By the way, if you have any suggestions, please. Thank you. Bye for now.